Hello, I'm Dr. Surisha and a warm welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll try to understand Douglas McGregor's theory X and Y. Okay, this person, Douglas McGregor, he has proposed studying the workforce in different organizations that people basically can be divided into two different sets or two different contradicting groups. Okay, theory X and theory Y. Theory X believes that people basically are lazy and they are not they always try to avoid work. And theory Y, the people who fall under that particular category, Douglas McGregor, he believed that people are in fact motivated to work. Okay, so these are two different theories which which are quite contradictory. Okay, in this particular video we'll see what theory X has to say. Okay, in the next video we'll understand what theory Y suggests. Okay, so basically coming to theory X and the assumptions of theory X. Okay, this theory X assumes that people are basically less ambitious, less intelligent, lazy and self-centered. People carry all those negative qualities. Theory X carries a very, bitterly negative attitude of people, especially in the workplace. Okay, and this suggests that they are not at all intelligent, they are lazy. We try to avoid work all the time, so we don't want to contribute anything to anybody or to self or to the organization. We always try to avoid work. So that is what theory X proposes. Okay, and we also do not have any kind of intelligence also. We cannot think of our own, we cannot make decisions. Okay, and we are also self-centered. People are self-centered, they are all selfish. They only think of themselves, not about the organization or the workplace. They are least bothered. Okay, and they work only to meet the minimum ends, to get that basic salary and to meet the minimum ends. They are not ambitious at all. Okay, that is those are the hard assumptions of theory X. And people like managements or people managers who believe in theory X, they have a different approach to people. You can understand that easily, when those people who believe in all these assumptions, okay, they take a different style of management or different style of leadership towards the workers. Like in that, they may either go for a hard approach or a soft approach. Usually people who believe in theory X and these assumptions, these hard assumptions of theory X, and carry a very negative perception towards employees, they often take hard approach only, where it is more like we versus they. There is no us here. Okay, there is like the management is different and the workers are different, employees are different. They are and the two opposite ends. Okay, and the approach will be like we versus they, right? And all these things like direct control and command, intimidation, immediate punishment, and basic lack of trust. Those managements who believe in theory X will follow this approach of management towards their employees. Okay, basically they do not trust their employees. They believe that employees or the workers, they always try to avoid work. Okay, there will not be any mutual respect or there will not be any mutual trust. And managements, they always try to take that hard approach of having direct supervision, direct control, very close, like micromanaging the employees, very closely supervising them and taking stringent measures, okay, like punishments, reprimands, okay, like when intimidation, an atmosphere of creating that fear, okay, all negative approach to management. That is the kind of management's approach towards the employees, and they always try to, seek immediate punishment. Okay, if something goes wrong, if the employees do not perform as expected, then immediate punishments will be given to the employees. So these are the hard approach rules of management, or the basic approach of management towards their employees who believe in the assumptions of this theory X. Okay, and which is not very, if you go through, if you understand this, this is not going to work out, especially these days. Okay, where informality has become the order of the day. So this kind of approach definitely will not work in the workplace. Okay, but instead, if they follow soft approach, those organizations who believe in theory X, if they follow soft approach and if they try to give that space to the employees, if they are lenient towards the employees, if they give them their liberty, then, since these are the assumptions, people are basically lazy and people basically try to avoid work, this soft approach is also not going to work out if it comes to the believers of theory X, because all those lenience and that space will be misutilized by the employees. So either of these two approaches will not strictly work out either way. So managements, they have to formulate a middle, kind of adjustment, like not too soft at the same time, not too hard kind of an approach to manage their employees. Okay, so this is what theory X has to say. In the next video, we'll try to understand what theory Y has to say about workplace and the approach towards people. Okay, thank you.